How to log into your Axis Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Axis Bank online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Axis Bank website. Then type in axisbank.com and hit enter. Once you are on the home page, find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Tap on the login button besides the personal. Now you will be directed towards the login page. Now tap on the login and customer ID section. There tap on the login ID and customer ID and type in your password. Once you are done filling up your details, tap on the login button. You might need to complete some additional security check like entering your OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Follow the instructions on the screen. And that's it. After entering your login details and completing any security check, click on the login button. You should now be logged into the Axis Bank online banking account. And that's it. You have successfully logged into the Axis Bank online banking account. You can now manage your finances, check statements, and many more. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.